Good morning, all. Welcome to Anand Rathi Morning Commodity and Currency Podcast. So, today let's start with precious metal update. Gold prices extended its losses since last week, pulling back from all time peaks. However, yesterday's drop was minimal compared to Friday's loss of more than 1.8%. Momentum indicators favors buyers for the day trade for international prices amid housing data to be watched out in the evening today. Meanwhile, Indian budget to be presented today and may announce import cuts duty in gold and silver, which could impact domestic MCX prices for the day. For today, gold futures intraday support is around 72,500 and 72,100. Resistance is around 73,100 and 73,900. For energy update, oil has once again been caught in a bear grip as risk premium faded and market focus shifted to weak fundamentals amid waning seasonal demand and an expected increase in output from across the globe. US EIA stockpile data and stock GDP numbers later in the day in the week remain the key in trigger for oil markets in the near term. For the week, strong support is around 6.50, while resistance in is near 81.50 to 82.50 for WTI oil prices. Whereas crude oil intraday futures support is around 6,500 and 6,420. Resistance is around 6,630 and 6,740. Continuing with base metal update, copper prices are expected to trade lower on the side. Stock also failed to rally even after People's Bank of China surprised to cut rate cuts on Monday. Meanwhile, recently, third plenum adhered to continuity rather than implementing any major in policy shifts that could address economic challenge. For copper futures, intraday support is around 804 and 790. Resistance is around 820 and 834. On currency front, for rupee today, which is lingering around 8 all-time high of 83.68, is expected to remain flat with upcoming federal budget and stock market reaction to it likely to dictate the intraday direction. Expectations that RBI will almost certainly intervene means that interbank does not have appetite to pursue momentum and a breakouts dollar is like pursue momentum and breakout in dollar is slightly higher in a trading overall. As also Biden's decision to his end of his re-election campaign, a scenario which could inject more volatility into currency market. For today, the major economic events are US Richmond Fed manufacturing index and US existing home sales. So that's all for today's podcast. Have a successful trading day. Thank you.